So, hi, my name is Ghazal Nair, and I passed my PCE written component in September 2024. And my highlight for the exam was this was my second attempt, and I was really nervous, but I think from the support of my mentor and my friends around me, they made it very easy for me, and I was really excited that I finally got what I wanted for a really long time. So yeah. So I'm a physiotherapist from India, and I graduated in 2021. When I made the decision of moving to Canada to pursue my career as a physiotherapist, I was very confused. Where should I go? How should I manage my classes, what to study, what not to study. I was lucky enough to have some seniors and some friends here in Canada who already gave their exams and who were practicing as a physiotherapist here. So I took their guidance, I asked them around, and they suggested me Study Buddy. When I got to know more about Study Buddy, I went to their Instagram, saw how the things, how they post their stuff, and I really liked it. So I thought, okay, it is so like my friends have already tried it, so I signed up for the course, and yes, I saw all the videos, and I never knew that my concepts were not that clear until now. And I got my concepts really cleared up, and I finally passed my exam recently in September. So yes, that's been my journey so far as a physio practicing in Canada. Challenges that I faced during the exam so far were not only, conceptual challenges, they were more financial challenges as well. Um, when, as I said before, like when I started practicing, when I started studying for the test, I realized that my concepts were not as clear as I thought they were. And I'm really thankful to Study Buddy team for that. Ankit sir, Manan sir, Preeti ma'am, Pooja ma'am, everyone's videos, they were so detailed, so explained. I was someone who never liked neurology or cardiology, and Ankit sir and Manan sir especially, they made me fall in love with these subjects. And this exam, I understand, for everyone is again, I said, it's mentally, it's financially, everywhere. There's you all have too much on your plate. So I recommend everyone who's going for the test. What I did was to reach out to the mentors in Study Buddy, and they do answer you. If you text them, they are there for you, and you can always have a chat about how you should go by stuff, one by one. If you have troubles in your concept, I always used to do this one thing that okay, if you WhatsApp them, they will answer you. If you ask them, they will answer you. About the financial stuff, I'm really thankful to my family, my friends. They were always there for me throughout my journey because I gave the exam in March 2024 first. I could not clear it, unfortunately, the first time, and I got it done in the second attempt in September 2024. My family, my dad, my mom, everyone has been there for me. They had my back. My mentor, Ankush sir, he has been amazing. Anisha ma'am, along with Ankush sir, they were there for me. They answered all the questions for me. They were angry sometimes when I didn't got stuff right, but I think that really helped me. They pushed me basically. Um, my roommates, everyone else, all I believe that this journey is not just mine. It's not just me. It's all the people who had my back throughout this whole journey, and I am really glad that I've been around all these amazing people in my life who were there for me, and I'm really glad that I found Study Buddy as well. So I I did what I always wanted to do. So it has been quite a journey for me. So my journey so far has been a roller coaster ride. When I was giving my first attempt back in March 2024, I decided that I would go back to India. I'll stay with my parents for a while. I knew I need to surround myself with family during this time when I'm studying. And also, I had my sister's wedding. So I had two reasons to move back to India for a while. So I did go back to India for 3.5 months, and I was there from November until March. When I gave my test, I gave my first attempt from India, and during that time, I was always have. I'm a person um, who is very optimistic in life, but sometimes I can be a pessimist as well. So what I did in my first attempt was I was nervous, so I knew I need to go back to India, be around my family to prep for the test. Second thing, when I was giving the first attempt, I always had this thing in mind. Oh, I'm prepping for this exam since like what, a long time. I'm thinking about this exam from a long time. So I was really nervous during that time. So when I went back to India, um, I had my sister's wedding, and then I started prepping for the test aggressively. Even like during the wedding, I was studying in the morning and then attending the events in the evening. So during that time, it was it was hard to, manage all the stuff, family around me with the studies. But I did manage it. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to clear my exam when I gave it in the first attempt. Um, but I knew that my concepts were good. I think the only thing that lagged during my first attempt was doing not enough questions. So I did talk to my mentor during that time, uh, Ritika ma'am. She also motivated me to give the exam immediately. But I know you always, like someone like me, I'm very scared. Like in life, I've never faced failure before. So when the first time I failed, when Ritika ma'am told me to go immediately for the test, I was scared. So I took my time. I healed myself from that, you know, that result that came the first time. I told myself, this is not you. I know you can do it. So I took my some time, and then I started aggressively prepping for the exam again in July. And that's when I met Ankush sir. So Ankush sir really motivated me that, oh Ghazal, you can do it. Don't worry. You only lagged for a little bit the first time. I did talk to Study Buddy team as well. Like I did talk to Ankit sir as well, I think, during that time. And I did texted him too that, oh, I got this result, and I was really nervous. So Ankush sir and Nisha ma'am, they also, like, they were really helpful during that time. I went back when I started prepping for the second time. I did go back and watch the newest cohort videos like quickly once more, because they always keep updating the information on the website. So that is again very important, that I knew that, okay, Ankita might have taught something new because I saw the video a long time ago. So I went back, quickly saw the videos again. I quickly went to the slides again from the Study Buddy website, which was really helpful because there was some new information, of course. And when I did the second attempt, I was constantly solving questions. So questions, questions, questions. That's how it was. So I know this is something that everybody told me since like my first attempt too. But I was like, oh, I did this much. This is enough. This was in the second attempt. I never thought about, oh, I'm doing this many questions. No, I used to just sit with my pen, sit with my laptop on with my question bank, and then I was just solving questions back to back. And every question I solved, I think I got some new information out of it, which might, I've never gotten if I just read the book, because we are humans in the end. We miss some things when we see in the book, right? So that is something that I did differently when I gave my second attempt. And yes, of course, like, everything that my mentor taught me was really helpful. Ritika ma'am, Ankush sir, Anisha ma'am. So I'm really thankful for all of them. So 3 tips I have for someone who's going for the test. For PCE, I know it's very nervous. So first, the nervousness, get over it. You can do it. believe in yourself. I know it's hard. You only have 3 attempts for the test, and we think, oh my God, what if I don't get it this time? What if I don't get it this time? I didn't got it in the first attempt, and it's okay. Trust yourself, you will get it in the second attempt. Or in your third, doesn't matter, but you will get it. Second is surround yourself from positivity. Even a little bit of negativity can affect you mentally. If you surround yourself with positivity and be confident in yourself, you will get it. Third, listen to whatever Ankit sir and your mentors saying. That's very important. They know, they have been in this game for a long time. And if they're saying to do questions more, do questions more. If they're saying get your concepts right, go get your concepts right. So yes, these are the 3 advice I would like to give to someone who is going for the test. Thank you so much, Study Buddy team. Thank you, my mentors, Ankush sir, Anisha ma'am, Ankit sir, Pooja ma'am, Purvi ma'am, everyone. And thank you so much. And all the best for anyone who's going for the test. You can do it.